Thank you for coming back to the Moses Show. Today we are going to discuss this beautiful album by Japot. Okay, my homie Alan hooked me up. Feel me? So shout out to you, Alan, for hooking me up with this beautiful album. I've been listening to it all week, but this specific song called Messi Lamu, that one did it for me. The thing with having a beautiful partner is that it's like a bittersweet. Well, not necessarily.
Merci l'amour, merci la vie. Senti-moi content, moi
So yeah, it is a little bit bittersweet, right? It's sweet because you get to have a beautiful, beautiful lady, right? It's like having a beautiful art in your living room or something, and then everything you pass by, you just like admire the flavorness, how flavorful the art is, and you get to have a beautiful art in the human form, and this is just a beautiful thing, right? And then it's a bit bitter because how do I say this? You have to be very secure as a man, and not having to be tripping over some stupid stuff like other men trying to holler or people commenting or anything like that. You know what I mean, although I'm a very secure guy, but sometimes, man, like, yo, bro, chill out. Shout out to my lady, man. Shout out to my lady. Listen, you'll know she's the one. There's that feeling, there's that gut feeling you get once you first seeing her, like, damn, all right, you know what? Yeah, this one, she's here to stay, all right? You here to stay. Listen, lady, you're here to stay, all right? You have no other choice but to stay. Let a brother take care of you. If you're not sure about whether or not you should take it to the next level with your lady right now, man, listen to your gut feeling. All right, those little arguments that you're having right now, it's part of the game. It's part of the deal, man. It's part of the deal, right? It's just that there are certain limits. We don't cross certain limits. You know what I mean? And you should establish those things at the beginning of the relationship so that if it occur after. So you have to tell them that, yo, remember we talked about this, and I told you straight up this is what this is, and I don't talk about those things. I don't tolerate those things, and therefore you should not respect my boundaries as I'm trying to respect yours. You feel me? And everybody make mistakes, bro. Everybody makes mistakes. You can't just keep going from one to the other like that. Like, we're getting old. At some point you need to settle down. At some point, right? Because you can't be running around like, hey, get your shit together and, put a ring on it and make me the best man.
Oh, chérie, maman, ou pral monter ou espace l'amour, mais matin pour vous. Côté que pas de solitude, nostalgie, un vieille habitude. Ouais, mon tombe, qu'on ça tout va berger, ma blague pour protéger.
And the beautiful thing with having one lady is that it saves you a lot of money, man. It saves you a lot of money. All right, you're gonna be saving money having only one lady. And I'm not saying you're dating a gold digger that's gonna chop your money, empty your pocket.
À qui pour mes mains toujours.
I'm not talking about those, but I'm talking about the classy lady, modern, respectuous woman. You feel me? And it doesn't matter if you spend a couple bands on her or whatever. If you were to running around, believe me, it would not be just a couple bands. It could be like a lot more. So having one lady will definitely save you some money, bro.
Là, où ça t'en va vite entrer. Faut éviter tout l'autre. Ne le faire, laisse pas péréger nous l'amour, pas trop j'en dans vie.
Yeah, check out the Jackpot album, man. You just dropped it, and it's beautiful. There are a lot of beautiful songs in there, but this one, Messi Lamu, is the one for me, right? There are a lot more, though. I'm gonna keep them coming, and I'll let you guys hear.
Oh, chérie, maman, ou pral monter ou espace l'amour, mais matin pour vous. Côté que pas de solitude, nostalgie.
A lot of us men, we tend to make that mistake, bro. When we after her, we we do the most, right? And then after we get her, we kind of lay back. Or you need to keep up with the momentum, right? Right. I'm not saying you have to be going as hard as you were going at the beginning, but you have to keep the momentum going, even if it's lower frequency. You still have to keep the same momentum going, like buy her flowers, take her out to some local, get out, outdoor activities and things like that, and keep the momentum going.
Un vieille habitude. Ouais, mon tombe, qu'on ça tout va berger, ma blague pour protéger. À qui pour mes mains toujours là, où ça t'en va vite entrer.
And don't feel like you need to have kids right away if you think you're not ready. Feel me? So, but kids definitely a must. You have to see your offspring from that beautiful lady you have next to you. Feel me? Because this art, this piece of art that you have right here, believe me, your offspring is going to be as beautiful as that. You feel me? So, the good thing with this beautiful song is that he's trying to emphasize on how much love is a beautiful thing, and he's very thankful for love, and and at the end of the day, it's a net positive despite of all the little arguments that you guys going through right now. It's just a temporary thing, and it's just part of the game, right? But you just have to keep the momentum going, keep the same frequency going. Could be a little bit lower frequency, but keep the same momentum going. So it's a net positive, and it's part of the ride. And we at the Moses Show, we advocate for love, and always thank you.